Hello, and welcome to a P11D Organiser tutorial, a quick and easy way to become a P11D expert. We will be covering these topics in today's video. Please sit back, relax, and let us do the explaining.
Once you have all your employee information entered into the P11D Organiser, it's time to perform some reconciliation on the data to check everything is as it should be. You select the employer reports either from the File menu and Reports wizard or from the reporting icon on the left-hand employer toolbar. The most obvious place to start is with the P11DB. This will be a document that is familiar to most people. In this instance, we'll just preview it on screen. Whilst it displays the most important two pieces of information, which is the total amount liable to Class 1A and the amount you have to pay to HMRC, the detail you need to see is not there. So, the P11D Organiser offers a suite of other reports that allow you to drill into the details and double-check all the figures. There are such things as a Class 1A report by benefit type, a Class 1A report by cost centre, and even a Class 1A report on a per-employee basis. If you look at this report, you can see that each employee is listed and each benefit clearly displayed, along with the relevant Class 1A figure.
Can I get the data out as an Excel spreadsheet rather than a PDF file?
You can. Any report that you see in the P11D Organiser can be saved as a PDF or an Excel file. You can even email direct from the system should you so choose. Analysis into each individual benefit type is also available, allowing you to drill into the separate benefit sections and generate reports based just on those details, which gives great insights into car movements or medical assignments, for example. Once you have checked all the information, then it is time to move on to the next section, which is getting the information over to HMRC, which is the subject of the next video.
Thank you for watching. For more information, you can go to our support website, support.p11dorganiser.co.uk.